A very good morning to all of you. Today we will start the topic tissue processing. So for a tissue processing, first of all we need a tissue. This is a tissue which we have taken from a patient body. So this is a tissue which is having a number of cells. So we have to find out what are the different deformities which are taking place inside this particular tissue, or basically we want to find out what are the different deformations which have taken place in this particular tissue. So now when we have to perform the tissue processing, the first part is that we have to fix this particular tissue. So to fix this particular tissue, we have to put this particular tissue in 10% formaldehyde. So 10% formaldehyde, it is a fixative, you can say. This particular fixative, what it will do, it will fix all the tissue with what different type of cells, different type of structure which are present in a tissue, they will be get fixed up in by using a formaldehyde. So basically 10% formaldehyde, it is being used to fix a tissue. Now when the tissue gets fixed up, then we will put this particular fixed tissue in 70% alcohol, then in 90% alcohol, and then in absolute alcohol. So when we are dealing with this particular tissue fixation, we go on for the dehydration step. So first we have to fix the tissue in a 10% formaldehyde, and then we remove the internal liquid part or the cytoplasmic part which is present inside the tissue structure by a increasing concentration of alcohol. So first we will put in the 70% alcohol, then we put in the 90% alcohol, and then in the absolute alcohol. So what happened when we are putting in this increasing concentration of alcohol is that due to this hypertonic solution, the internal part, because the inside the particular cell we are not having any alcohol, so due to this alcohol, the internal part, the internal liquid part, internal cytoplasm, internal protoplasm, you can say, they will coming out